Hey, this is Shay here, and today I want to show you the earnings of a recent campaign I just started. And the reason why I want to show you this is to hopefully motivate you to go out there and create your own make money online campaigns. Because, it's like that old saying, if you know what you are doing, whatever that thing is, it's easy. Okay, and this is actually a campaign that I also just showed my students, and they were so fired up and motivated about seeing these campaigns that I just started from scratch that I thought, hey, why not show you as well? So that's exactly what I'm going to do right now, and I'm just going to jump straight into one of the first networks right here. So again, I only just recently started this campaign, just a few days ago in fact. As you can see here, we're in May right now. Today is the 11th. We are just a bit over halfway through today. And I started this campaign back on the 8th. Okay, so just a few days ago, I just decided to point some of my traffic to not only this network here, but 2 others as well, so 3 total. And I really want to show you what these campaigns have been able to do because they are running incredibly well really early. And I mean, at this point, I am able to do that fairly often, but of course, some campaigns just don't even take off at all. And that's even for me still, after years of doing this, it's just normal. You have to keep running different campaigns and choosing different offers until you find those winners. And you know what? It's just all part of the game. That's almost how you have to see this, like a game. Okay, because it's not really about just making money. I mean, of course it is. It is about making money. But my point is, when you focus on building traffic, and you know how to get traffic from a great traffic source or multiple traffic sources, when you know how to do that, when you focus on traffic and you've really got the inner workings of your campaigns put together really well, which is exactly what I teach my students. So when you have all those things put together right, the money just comes, okay? It just happens. Because you are generating great quality traffic and you're running great campaigns, you've got everything set up, your funnel is great, it's a good experience for your visitors. When you have all that set up, money is just going to happen. And that's why I really like showing my students campaigns just like these. Because when they see that, hey, of course, I'm still able to make campaigns start from scratch and make money early, my students know that I'm going to give them everything I can to help them do the same. And this is actually something that I am willing to do for you as well if you are serious. And I'm going to jump into that in just a second, but I just want to show you the rest of these networks here, the rest of these campaigns, because I'm just going to add them all up. And we'll talk about the average that it's already making every day, which is around $300 a day already. In fact, probably a bit over because, as I said, today's the 11th and we're only just barely halfway through the day. And of course, while I've just been sitting on this screen with the first network here, you're probably noticing not really that much traffic, but it's got some decent earnings for 3.5 days or so already, just in this one network out of 3. So $264.90 made already there, but only 43 clicks. But if you check this out, $6.16 average per click. Okay, so EPC, earnings per click. Yes, I am getting paid for clicks specifically. Alright, and of course I'm not going to jump too much into that right now, but let me tell you, when you know how to get paid for generating clicks, it's some of the easiest money you will make online. So I'm just going to jump over to the next network now. As you can see, I've still got the exact same dates set up here from the 8th to the 11th today. And as you can see, again, same thing, RPC, this time revenue per click, same thing as EPC. The click count there and the total $241.98 so far with this one. Alright, so I'm just going to cruise over to the third network now. And I'm just going to also extend or expand these here so you can see the dates on these main offers in this network alone. So as you can see, the dates again, 8th of May to today, the 11th of May, and basically, just cruise through some of the numbers here. All right, this one actually is not getting as high cost per clicks, the earnings EPC, and that is mainly because, this network knows that their offers convert higher, and it's just at this time what their advertisers are willing to pay. But I also sent a decent amount of traffic to this network as well. I would say a little bit more, higher percentage through my click rotator I put towards this specific network. And as you can see, just a bit over $702.18 made on this one so far. So if we add them all together, averages out already at just over $300 a day. And that's if you count, 4 full days, and we're not even at that yet. So I'm expecting that to jump up a little bit more as well. And as I said earlier, I'm willing to show you what I am doing with these campaigns, but I'm certainly not about wasting time. I'm not about wasting my time, of course, and I'm not about wasting your time either. If you are serious and you honestly really want to know how I am making money online by just generating clicks with, networks like I just showed you here, then I can show you, but again, only if you are serious. So if you are and you want to see what in the world I'm doing to make this happen, you want to see the inner workings as my students get to see every single day, then you can see it for yourself. But all you have to do, first of all, is take action. So take action right now and go click the link at the top of the description. Go find the description of this video, and I'll just have a really quick bit.ly link right at the top so you can just get over to my site real quick. Alright, so click that link right at the top of the description, and I'm just going to show my site as well just so you can see what to do next. So once you are here, once you're on my site here, all you have to do is really simple, just enter in your email address right here, your best email. Just put that in right here, type it out, enter it in, then hit the Get Instant Access button underneath that, and then you're going to get instant access. And there's something awesome that I'm going to do for you straight away, and that is send out my welcome email to give you all the information you need to get started right now. So again, go check your email address, the email that you just typed in and entered on my site. Go check that inbox, okay? So look for my welcome email from me. I'm going to get you started today in there. So I'll see you over there, and I'll work with you soon.